guys, welcome to the Linda's Family channel. Please subscribe, like, share. Well, today we're looking at the category 4 typhoon that is already formed up, actually, called Hagibis, coming to mainland Japan. As we can see, it was going to be hit toward Osaka, but it is fairly wide, actually wider than Japan, so there's to hit landfall and actually do some damage. It is actually recorded to be the biggest typhoon in history. Right now, as a category 4, where it shows that it formed up, it's going to be aiming to be a category 5 by 3 a.m. on October 8th, and then continue to be category 5 for the next few days, and planning to make landfall on the 12th. As you can see, the category 5 will be sustained winds of 93 miles through the 1500 on the 8th, and then it continues, and it will be downgraded to 4 to then continue up and then downgrade to 3, category 3. But a category 3 from our last typhoon was pretty hard. We saw some really sustained winds, but we don't know yet if it's going to be all the way up. As you can see right now, we have light showers in this area of Yokosuka, and the typhoon seems to be headed straight to Osaka. Prayers goes out to the families. Please be safe, and we'll keep you updated as it keeps coming up. Again, this is the largest typhoon recorded off the Pacific Ocean. It will be a category 3 with 67 sustained winds on the 12th to make landfall at 1500. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, share. Please stay safe out there. For those that are in this area, we are looking at some pretty nice weather for the time being, but it will be getting a little hectic as the times through these days continues. We have some light and some very heavy rain for our area, as you can see right over Yokohama, Yokosuka, Kamakura, a few pink